Based on the just concluded KCPE, I'd like to make the following preliminary observations. One, as we promised the country, we have confirmed that the KCPE examinations were not leaked at all. All candidates were able to see the contents of the examinations once they were opened by the relevant officials, the supervisors, at the start of each paper. This means all candidates sat the examinations on a level playground. Two, the measures that we spelled out to ensure that Kenyan examinations are credible and of high integrity were enforced in 99.9% of the centers. The number of exam malpractices has been reducing drastically each year since the strict examination reforms were introduced 3 years ago. The effective administration of the 2018 KCPE is a classic example of a government that delivered as one, in strict reflection of His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta's clarion call. We have learned that there is no government program that can fail if all arms of government work in strict consort with one another. That the rate of teenage pregnancies in our country is very high. We have detected a high number of candidates who became mothers during the 3 days of KCPE. If this is happening all year round, then the country could be facing a real crisis. I have asked my Quality Assurance and Standards Department to work with relevant departments to investigate the extent of this situation and give me a report for further action. 4, a multi-sectoral agency approach to delivering examination has yielded fantastic results. During our monitoring, we witnessed various agencies working together as teams with the single most aim of delivering a credible examination. We will all keep it up.